Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Zoom software on your Windows 10 PC. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. So right away, open your favorite browser and in the Google search bar, you can type in Zoom download. This is going to bring you the official website of Zoom, that is zoom.us. Click on it to bring you to the download center. Here you see we have download for 64-bit computer, download for 32-bit and download for ARM64. So it is upon you to check your PC whether it uses 64-bit or 32-bit. In my case it uses 64-bit. So click on download 64-bit. It is going to download in your browser. And after successful download, we're going to click on it. And here it is installing. Yeah, and after the installation it will show you that the installation was successful, and click on done. And after that you can join a meeting, you can sign up or sign in, and in that way you have managed to install Zoom on your PC. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.